Hello and good day. My name is Nick Gagliardi, and I'm with the Systems Engineering team here at Exinda. I'd like to spend the next few minutes highlighting the capabilities of Exinda's recommendation engine, as well as share a few common policy strategies Exinda administrators have employed to reduce administration and maintenance time of their Exinda estate. Let's start with Exinda Recommends. The recommendation engine can be found on the dashboard landing page of the Exinda UI. It brings to light opportunities to improve and optimize WAN resources by looking for and highlighting areas to monitor more closely and suggest policy adjustments for configurations that can be improved. For example, if there's suddenly a new application appearing in the top 10 report that's not being managed by a policy, Exinda Recommends will highlight this and suggest adding a policy to control or guarantee traffic bandwidth to that new application. Let's talk about policies. Among the most common configuration questions we receive here at Exinda are around creating policy strategies that can extend themselves to a changing application landscape. This requires a certain level of flexibility in how our policies are implemented. We recommend a few strategies Exinda users can implement to help reduce administration time of their Exinda deployment. Create policies based upon application groups rather than specific applications. This provides the ability to aggregate the behavior of many applications and services into one policy definition. We often recommend folks create application groups that are relevant to the organization in addition to the ones provided by Exinda by default. This provides us with one element that we can point to when prioritizing the applications and services on a network that need guarantees or limits. Having a policy tied to an application group such as games, for example, ensures that Exinda releases updates and new game signatures, they are automatically added to the existing games application group and become part of the policy attributes automatically. This helps save administration time as well as keeps the configuration streamlined and operationally friendly. The other strategy we encourage folks to utilize is the built-in flexibility of the burst policy definition. As a rule, we never want to slow things down across the network unless we need to in favor of more critical or business relevant services. By using the burst priority field in the policy filter, we can easily control which policies get access to the excess bandwidth first. This essentially allows us to prioritize which policies are able to utilize 100% of the available bandwidth if nothing more critical is occurring at the time. Allowing the bandwidth tied to an application or application group to burst, and by using the priority field to weigh the allocation, allows for an optimized configuration that is able to use as much of the WAN resource whenever possible, while still ensuring our most critical applications and services never suffer under contention and are always treated as provided for by their policies. Thanks for joining me today. On behalf of everyone here at Exinda, thanks for watching.